Participant?
Kami
Nessa?
Dian and Henry. Si Sir po. Okay na kanina. Are you pretty? Nandito kami sa birthday ni Tisha. Happy birthday, Tisha! Tatapat na. Love you. Team niya Crazy Rich Tisha.
All the bills that you take, violet, blue, green, red, to keep me at arm's length don't work. You try to push me out, but I just find my way back in. Violet, blue, green, red, to keep me out. Close to every day. There's things I want to talk about. I better not to give, but if you want me,
Na po ang ating mga bisita. Alright, so how about we give ourselves and of course our birthday family, our dear celebrator, a big round of applause. Come on everyone. And welcome to a celebration of life, love, beautiful Patricia. My name is Helen for this
Millie!
So ngayon po, hindi ko na po papatagalin pa. It refreshes them just to be here to celebrate with Patricia. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the proud parents of our debutantes. At the entrance, Patricia V. Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, to our birthday family here in front. At manatili pong nakatayo ang lahat para sa panalangin. May I invite Miss Elizabeth Malyari to lead all of us.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. We're here celebrating a life. Patricia turning 18. Beautiful na apo. We thank the Lord for this occasion that we are all gathered here, a celebration of family, friends, relatives, all with love for Patricia. Be good, beautiful girl, as I wish, alagaan mo ang sarili mo dahil pwede kang maging beauty queen. Yun ang lagi kong sinasabi.
Everyone's very excited. And with that, syempre, sisimulan natin ang ating celebration with the band together with all of you. So for our simple steps, let us begin by turning our arms like this. All together with our lovely family. Up. Come on everyone, second step po. Snap. Dalawang kamay. Snap. Snap. Very good.
Good evening everyone. Welcome to the coming of age debut birthday celebration of our daughter Patricia May. Tisha to us, Pat to her friends and classmates. So just early last year when we were looking for a venue and service provider for this event, I thought that was too early. And here comes today, napakabilis ng panahon. So ito na agad ang big event. So looking back, yung younger years ni Tisha, nasa ano yan eh. Nung bata pa yan, madalas yan sa legal, sa office. Marami silang mga bata doon. Tawag namin mga legal babies. So I'm even happy na nandito sila, mga dalaga na rin sila, mga magdidibu na rin sila, may mga kasunod pang pupuntahan dibu, mga birthday party, 18th birthday party nila. So as I wish Tisha to enjoy this special night, we prepared for her. We also wish everyone to enjoy as well, to celebrate with us, because there is nothing to celebrate without your presence. So thank you. Good day.
Palakpakan po natin everyone, Daddy Z. At this point, sige Mommy and Daddy, pwede na po muna kayong maupo or special. Starting off with our 18 roses or the dances. Ngayon po tatawagin po natin ang 18 na Padilla.
Kasali kami sa 18 candles.
Special.
Lin. What?
Couldn't be more proud of the person you've become. Watching you grow to be this incredible. Especially you're now in college. There will be many sleepless nights, so
It's wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance. I can fly.
Happy birthday to you. This time, mas malakas na kantahan na may palakpakan. Come on, everyone. Happy birthday. And you may not blow your candle.
Be more mature and more responsible. So learn from whatever victory, success, even failure, you will have to learn, of course, from us, and you will have to learn on your own. Be that as it may, guiding you every step of the way as long as we are here. So, happy birthday!
Tisha. Tagalog version niyo sa akin. Ang preparation natin, inabot ng 1 year, di ba? Araw mo, maging successful ka. Live within your means. Ganun lang na. Mahal na namin kahit anong... Andito lang kami. Sana ma-appreciate mo lang kung ano yung mga kaya namin mabigay. Basta yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ayun, happy birthday.
Naririnig ko na eh. Abutan nyo na ng tissue, abutan nyo na ng tissue. Tama nga, maiiyak po pala talaga. Ano? Very beautiful. And smile. Of our celebration. Ano pa nga po ba? Kundi ang ating dinner time. Ngayon pa lang.
Nagtagal, hindi wala yan. Happy birthday, Tata Pat! Oo nga. Ano? Woohoo! Ay! What's that? What's that? Uy, tulala ka na. Ayun na yung natawag nito. Wow! Love, love.
Happy birthday. Yay!
Happy birthday, Patricia. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tata Pat. Enjoy your day. Alam kong happy ka ngayong debut mo. And mag-aral ka mabuti. Lagi mo rin tandaan na nandito kami ate mo and mga kuya mo para sa'yo. Lagi ka din makikinig kila Tita Marian and Tita Wes. Mahalaga. And sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you from Australia. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ay, wala na kami dyan.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Trisha.
Sorry, hindi ako nakapunta. Babagay na lang ako sa Yusu. Wish you all the best and good luck in college. Happy birthday, please know I hope you enjoy and have fun in college. It was such a pleasure to meet you. Please know that I always come to one call away. Thank you for everything, and I hope you enjoy your life. Don't drink too much and have fun. I know you're just really great. I'm so sorry that I can't compare.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Patricia. Happy 8th birthday, Patricia. Enjoy your party.
With Patricia. With Patricia. And what? And now. Daddy Pete. Mommy Marian, pinayagan na rin mag-shot si Patricia. Alright. Cheers to Patricia! And drink up, bottoms up! And take your shot, Patricia! Bottoms up, bottoms up! There you go! Palakpakan natin muli, ladies.
Uy, magka-grind ka ba?
Hindi siya siya ng kulang. Kuya, parang black label.
Pero,
Oo, shot ka na isa lang. Kada ko. Isa lang ha. Oo, kapita nga eh. Isa lang. Hindi siya ko. Ayaw lang taas, kuya. Ito. Yan lang, kuya. Kuya, shot down na ganito. Kuya, shot down ko yun. Ano ba to?
Saan ba yung pinapatikin mo? Tinutungga mo na yung bote lang yaka ito. Ito ba? Ayan.
Siya yun o, yun o. Kamukha ko lang.
Masarap eh.
Star, one more. Ang tapa nga parang tempra.
Baka mahilig.
Mata!
Nawala, nilayasan ako.
Wala na.
Nawala na. Isa na ba? Bakit pala yun?
Lasing ka na ba na? Ayan, party pa more. Walang sleepers.
Aray ko.
Magdadry out.
Parang pundador. Yun, pundador.
Look at this. Wala akong pamalit. Happy birthday, Tisha. Happy birthday. Yan, dito na kami natulog sa venue kasi inamagan na kami. So later na lang kami uwi. Ito yung view namin. Dito sa rooftop.